Food has a unique way of bringing people together, but kopi is what makes them stay. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kelvin Chan, founder of the Oriental Kopi. And today I want to share with you my story of partnership and growth. I frequently travel to China for business, and I always craving for Malaysian local food when I am abroad. But I found that it was really hard to find Malaysian foods in other countries. During that time, I always had a thought in my mind that it would be great if there were Malaysian restaurants in other countries. It made me realize that there was a gap in the market for authentic, consistent Malaysian food abroad. I then set out on my mission to introduce the flavors of Malaysia all around the world. I've done a few businesses before this, so I have experience when it comes to effective operations. After considering a few banks, UOB was the one that stood up the most to me. While expanding Oriental Kopi, UOB provided us with excellent facilities. They handle our registration right out of my office. Their relationship manager did everything and learned my business pain points to provide me good solution. My accounting team spent a lot of time checking multiple outlet payments and manually identifying them. With a significant amount of cash involved, we needed to address safety concerns. UOB integrated our payment collection system, which includes DuitNow and our merchant card machine. They even offer cash in transit for a seamless experience. UOB provided all-rounded solution to solve our pain points, and we have been operating smoothly ever since. I would say the best part of all is the UOB SME app. We can approve transaction, check the latest FX rates, and monitor my account activity. I can even apply for new business current accounts for all my new outlets using the app. As Oriental Kopi continues to grow, it's reassuring to know we have the support of Malaysians and our various partners. UOB has played a wider role in our success, and we are hoping to be the next big thing out of Malaysia.